Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then tap on Edit button next to the delayed one and change wherever you want to. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my username and password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!